Hello world, Wendy from Cali here with a Color Street Color Play unboxing. This is the April box, which is called Social Tea Party, I think it's what it's called. Let's open it up and find out, shall we? I was on vacation when this box arrived, and I had to make sure I was avoiding most of the social media posts and all of that, so that I didn't see any spoilers, because I didn't want any spoilers of this. So I got this box. When did it arrive? I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday, while I was in Moab, Utah. So yeah, luckily there were no porch pirates, and my dad and his family have some apartments where we have an apartment manager that helps manage those apartments. She typically will dog sit and house sit for us, and she made sure to get this box from the mail and put it somewhere safe. So here we are, and we are going to see what's in here. So I'm going to first put this aside. We'll look at this last. And oh, it's a bracelet. Spill the tea, it says. That's fun. So that must be the free item. Spill the tea. Let's put it on right now, shall we? I am sure that ooh, I'm gonna break it. My hands are way too big for that. You know what? I'm gonna give this to one of my nieces. Ooh, that one's got the letter missing. What does it say here? It just says contains one bracelet. Okay, well, I'm gonna give that to somebody. Because it sure won't fit my hand. My big man hands. Alright, here are the strips. Let's take a look at these. Nail prep pad and a file. Always comes with it. First one, and let's see. Hold on. Let's put this box down so you can see what the cover looks like. A lot of the times, these sets, one set or the color theme will go with this box set. So this is what it looks like. Pinkies Up. Let's take a look at what Pinkies Up. Oh, is that a French set? Because there's two. There's two. Ooh, they actually gave me two. Whoa. Was that on purpose? I'll have to read the pamphlet. But I got two sets of Pinkies Up, which is very frosty looking pink. That is new. That's never happened to me before. I wonder if anyone else, I'm going to watch unboxings after, if anyone else got two of them, if that was on purpose or by mistake. Alright, sprinkles on top looks like an accent pack. Nope, it's a coconut set. So 6. I love that. Oh, I always love, like, purpley. That looks like a glitter dip. Yep, glitter dip. That one's called Sprinkles on Top. Sprinkles on top of your nails. That's cute. Alright, that's Sprinkles on Top. Pistachio Gelato. Ooh, pistachio. That's like my favorite. One of my favorite flavors. Ooh, that minty green. Oh, I love that. That mint green is so in right now. Like, I was just watching a video on YouTube. Kelly Marissa, is that how you pronounce her name? Doing a review of the latest Mooncat nails, which I still haven't purchased new Mooncat nail polishes yet, but they released a new collection yesterday, and I was watching the reveal video of that. And they had a mint green color too. Royal Icing. Oh, that's lovely. That looks like How Do You Hue? Is that the name of the set? But they added glitter on top. That's gonna look lovely. These pastel-y colors, though, do they remind you of spring? I guess they would. Spring's kind of very pastel-y. Pretty Please. Another French, dual French, looks like. Oh, that's a very frosty, pinkish lavender. Are those the bar glitters? I can't tell. That is lovely. I actually like all the sets. I don't have any complaints. These are totally sets I would wear. Let's take a look and see. Sweet Tea Social. Sorry. So it's called Sweet Tea Social. Not Social Tea Party. But I love macarons. Oh, that looks yummy. And this tea set reminds me of when I threw my sister her bridal shower. I rented a bunch of teacup sets, and we had family and friends over for a sweet tea social for her bridal shower many moons ago. In this month's box, you're invited to Color Play's Sweet Tea Social. This box features solid glitters, an elegant glitter dip, and ethereal dual-ended French tips that serve up the finest nail designs. Follow one of our looks or create a custom style that suits your exquisite palette. Bonus item, spill the tea without saying a word wearing this delightful beaded bracelet to adorn your wrist. And she's wearing Pretty Please with sprinkles on top. Meet the strips. We've got Pistachio Gelato, which is a glitter. Indulge in sweet and savory treats with this pastel green coated in silver glitter. Yeah, I like that. Pinkies Up. Delight in flavorful tea wearing this pale pink glitter with your pinkies up. Pretty Please is a dual-ended French glitter. Create everlasting memories with these glittery light purple dual-ended French tips. And Royal Icing, these rainbow gradient dual-ended French tips scattered in gold glitter are as rich as Royal Icing. And then sprinkles on top. Add sprinkles on top of your custom manicure with this purple and holographic glitter dip. And here's Pistachio Gelato all by itself, plus the Spill the Tea bracelet. And on the front cover it says it's Pretty Please and Pistachio Gelato. And on the back cover it says it's Pretty Please with sprinkles on top. There we go. Share your fanciful manicure on social media and use the hashtag #colorplay to show the world your creativity. I still forget. I always forget to do that. But here are the other looks. We've got Royal Icing here all on its own. Royal Icing with Pistachio Gelato. Pinkies Up, Pretty Please, sprinkles on top. And Pistachio Gelato. I mean, all of this looks really yummy. And I'm here for it. So I'm excited to use these sets. I don't know how I'm going to combine them. Whether I'm going to combine them all or not. I decided with the last Color Play box that if it doesn't feel right to combine them all, I'm not going to combine them all. Like, if I feel like wearing just the one set, I'm going to just wear the one set because my nails, my thing to do. So, yeah. What did you think of the box? Comment below, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.